Hi everyone, so we've got another GR Yaris in for a load of mods, and doesn't this one look great with its white OZ wheels and styling mods it's already got. So in this video we will give it a big power hike, upgrade the brakes, some styling mods and get it ready for some hard circuit use. So the first thing I'll do is give it a power run on our dyno to make sure it's performing correctly before we do any work on it, and to get a nice baseline power figure. Right, so as you can see from the dyno graph, it's making 224 wheel horsepower, which is 272 brake horsepower at the flywheel, which is about 10 brake horsepower more than we normally see for these when they are totally standard. So it's obviously a good healthy engine and ready to take some extra power. So the power related mods we're going to fit are Kelford EZ cams and Kelford valve springs, E-Venturi intake kit, AirTech intercooler and big boost pipe kit, Turbo Smart dual port blast valve, HKS super turbo muffler exhaust, a Whifbitz resonated GPF pipe, and an ECU remap using the Equitech software. Okay, it's now making 292 wheel horsepower, which is 351 brake horsepower at the flywheel. So that's gains of 79 brake horsepower compared to when it arrived. And also the torque has gone up from 244 to 297 pound-feet, which is really going to transform the way this car feels on the road and on the track too. The next stage, if this customer wants to go a bit further with the power, would be to add a hybrid turbo. This will take power to around 380 brake horsepower, and with no real loss in drivability, just gains everywhere, especially at the top end of the power band. So this customer will be using these GR Yaris on the track a lot, so we fitted some Porterfield R4 brake pads, Hell Performance brake lines, BCB higher temp brake caliper pistons and seals, Miller's higher temp brake fluid, and some brake cooling ducts on the front too. It's already got a set of KW V3 coilovers fitted, which will make it handle really well on the track, and it's been somewhere else already to have a track biased geometry setup done on it. And as you can see, it's also got these great looking rally style OZ wheels fitted. Now if you're taking your car on the track, you want to make sure it's safe, so we fitted an SW Motorsport rear half cage, SW Motorsport rear brace with the false floor to finish all off nicely. The customer's planning on fitting some nice bucket seats and harnesses to this at a late stage as well. The styling mods we fitted include our Whifbitz carbon engine cover, Whifbitz carbon cooling plate, HKS fuse box cover, Whifbitz carbon VS style vented bonnet, Various Engineering red engine bay cap set, Pro Hoses red hose kit, and Whifbitz red carbon bonnet damper kit. And as you can see under the bonnet, it really makes it look nice under here. Finishes it off lovely, all the carbon fibre parts. We also fitted an extreme heavy duty clutch and floor kit. When I took it for a test drive, after we'd done the mods, the clutch was slipping, so it needed replacing. The customer decided to upgrade it at the same time. The standard clutch normally takes this kind of power easily, so it must have had a hard life in the past at some point. So it's all ready for the customer to collect, and I bet you can't wait to get this on the track to see what it can do. If you'd like to see more vids like this, then please subscribe to our channel and get in touch if you like your GR Yaris tuned.
146.82.